Okay, I'm doing an impromptu unboxing right now because Misato just arrived in the post. Well, she did arrive, but I had to go to the post office and carry her the whole way home because she was too big. But I don't know, I want to share my joy with someone, so it's you. Whoa. Oh my god, I'm hyped. Asuka and Ray fanboys and fangirls can step back because this is the best girl right here. Oh my god, she's so beautiful. I don't even know what the camera is focusing on right now, I'm sorry. I've never done an unboxing. I don't even know if she's bootleg, to be honest with you. I don't think she is. I think she's just one of the Sega figures. And they're just generally cheaper, so. But she looks such good quality. I mean, I don't really even care if she is bootleg, to be honest. Okay. Well, kind of destroying the box here, but I'm excited. Get her out, get her out. Whoops. Oh my god, she is so cool. Holy shit. Look. Oh my god, I'm really excited. At first I was like, oh, maybe I shouldn't spend all that money on a figure. But let's be honest, I'm glad I did. I'm really sorry about my face and general appearance. I didn't expect it to be her at the post office, so I'm ill prepared for this video. Oh my god, she is really cool. Let me grab the camera so I can film properly. Pop her down there. Come on, camera. She is awesome. Anyway, my thing's running out now, so I've got to go. See ya.